So now that that's done, we can go ahead and go on to the very last step. The very last step, of course, is to solve the third layer, which is this layer right here. As I said before, all the other layers should be completely solved and your centers. So what you're going to do is you're going to see how many pieces you have unsolved. Now you can have 4 pieces that aren't solved, you could have 3 pieces that aren't solved, or you can have 2 pieces that aren't solved. If you have 1 piece that's not solved, then you probably did something wrong. So make sure that you checked over your cube and you don't have any pieces that might have popped out and got put in backwards accidentally. But really, you're only going to have to learn 1 parity case, and it's only if you have 2 unsolved. So what we're going to do is we're going to check and see, okay, in this case I have 4 that are unsolved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the 2 that are kind of matched up on the same face, like this. You don't want to get ones that are opposite like that. Make sure they're the same. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, I call it displacement. You're going to take one of them and swap it out with a solved piece, like so. So let's say I'm going to swap this one out. So I'm going to do the algorithm, swap it out, and now I'm going to resolve, because I just messed it up. So now I'm going to resolve it. So I'm going to turn the top layer and solve it again. And what that did is it shuffled the pieces around and solved those 2 that were the same color. And as you can see, I only have 2 that are not solved now. So this is the only parity case you're going to have to learn on the 4x4 by using this method. Using the reduction method, you would have to learn like 6 or 7, I'm not sure, but this is the only parity case you're going to have to learn. I'll post the algorithm in the sidebar, and it's not too difficult to learn because it's kind of repetitive, but here we go. Here's the move. It's going to be a little L prime, U2, little L prime, U2, F2, little L prime, F2, little R, U2, little R prime, U2, little L2. Okay, so this is the situation where 3 of the pieces are unsolved. One of them is solved. You're going to have some kind of matching pieces, and then you'll have one that's just kind of by itself. So what you want to do is you want to take the one that's by itself and move it towards the 2 paired ones. So basically I'm going to take it and move it over here, but I have to do the displacement algorithm. So remember this algorithm, kind of shift it over and then go back, and that will mess up one of these pieces. All you have to do is resolve that piece, so it's the blue and yellow, resolve it, and you solve the cube. So when you have 3 that are unsolved, you don't have to do the parity case. You just kind of do the displacement, and it will shuffle the edges around and solve the entire cube. So again, that was how to solve the Rubik's 4x4. I hope you liked the video. This method again is designed for somebody who's just learning the 4x4, doesn't really care about speed. They just don't want to have to learn like a bunch of algorithms. I believe the most algorithms you have to learn for this case are like maybe like 4 algorithms, so it's really not that big a deal at all. It can be done very intuitively for the most part, and that's about it. So that's how you solve the 4x4 using this method, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Also, if you like the video or have any requests for any other videos, please post a comment below or send me a message. And if you like my videos, please check out my channel and look at some of my other videos, and or subscribe to my channel. Well, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.